In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use lot numbers to manage groups of products in Odoo 17 inventory. If you're looking to streamline your inventory management and maintain accurate tracking within Odoo, understanding the functionality of lot numbers is essential. Let's get started with this step-by-step guide. First, you'll want to head over to the Odoo homepage, open up your preferred web browser, and type in Odoo's URL. Once you're there, you'll find the Sign In option prominently displayed. Click on Sign In and enter your credentials to access your Odoo account. If you're not already signed up, you'll need to create an account. But assuming that's already taken care of, let's proceed full steam ahead. Now that you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Odoo dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage all your applications and keep track of various operations. Today, our focus is on inventory management, so navigate to the Inventory app on your dashboard. You should see an icon for it. Click that to delve into the area where all your inventory details reside. Once inside the Inventory section, direct your attention to the top menu where you'll find various options. For our needs today, go ahead and click Configuration. This is where you'll set up and customize your inventory settings, ensuring everything functions according to your business requirements. Under Configuration, find and select Settings. This area allows for a more nuanced adjustment of your inventory management system. Within Settings, locate the Traceability option. Click on it to reveal additional options related to tracking your inventory items more precisely. Now, within Traceability, you will see Lots and Serial Numbers. Clicking on this brings us to the heart of today's tutorial, learning to utilize lot numbers effectively. This section is crucial for identifying and grouping products efficiently. It helps ensure that you have precise tracking for batches of items, aiding in better product management and reducing errors in inventory counts. Using lot numbers within Odoo not only helps in organizing your inventory, but also plays a vital role in quality control and compliance, especially if you're handling products that require strict tracking, such as perishable goods or items with safety regulations. Being able to manage and trace these effectively can make a significant difference in operational efficiency and customer satisfaction. This brief walkthrough should have you well on your way to using lot numbers effectively in Odoo inventory. Remember, each step is designed to enhance your control over product tracking and inventory management, making your operations smoother and more reliable. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore other functionalities in Odoo to continue optimizing your inventory process. Happy managing!